Good morning to all. I am Subramaniam, working as a assistant professor in automobile department at SNS College of Technology. In this session, we are going to see about the welding technologies. In types of welding, we see about the automation and robotic welding. By traditional welding, we know as there are arc welding, gas welding, and fusing by soldering itself. So these are traditional, but in advanced method now you see about the automation and robotic welding. But in the automation robotic welding, mainly using of the a copper rod wire without any flux. Here the robot itself have a welding itself. So robot welding is a type of automated welding that uses a programmable robot to perform the welding process only. Robotic welding is a highly advanced version of the automated welding that can perform the precise and quick welds and is used in the many industries including automotive and medical. Automation and robotics in the welding have become vital component of modern manufacturing, offering numerous benefits including increased efficiency, precision and safety. Welding a critical process in industries like automotive, welding critical process in industries like automotive, aerospace, construction and shipbuilding involves joining materials, typical metals through various techniques. Traditional welding, which is highly dependent on the skilled workers, has limitations such as human fatigue, inconsistent quality, and exposure to hazardous environments. So, robotic welding addresses many of these challenges. So, here robotic welding system use automated machines to perform the welding tasks with minimal human intervention, equipped with sensors, cameras, and sophisticated programming. These robots can precisely follow predetermined paths, ensuring high quality welds even in complex or repetitive tasks. Advanced robotics can manage various weldings techniques such as arc, spot, or TIG welding, tungsten inert gas, or MIG welding, metal inert gas, and laser welding, providing versatility across industries. With automation, manufacturers can significantly increase production rates as robots operate continuously without the breaks or errors caused by human fatigue. One of the most significant advanced robotic welding is its ability to improve safety in workplace. Welding environments exposes expose workers to extreme heat, harmful fumes, UV radiation, and hazardous materials. By automating the process, companies can remove operators from these dangerous conditions, thereby reducing injuries and health risks. This allows this also lowers the workplace insurance cost and contributes to safer working environment. Robotic welding system also lead to cost savings in the long term. While the initial investment in robotic technology may be high, the return on investments comes from the faster production, reduced material waste, and lower labor cost. The consistency and accuracy provided by the robots minimize the rework and scrap, making the entire manufacturing process more efficient. In summary, the automation and robotics in welding are transforming the industry by enhancing productivity, safety, and cost effectiveness, positioning manufacturers to meet modern demands more effectively. By this system, we came to see about the automation and robotic welding. Next, we see about the another welding process.